In this video, we're gonna show you what we do to our pumpkins after Thanksgiving.
These two carved pumpkins on my side are no good, so they're gonna go into my compost, but the other one over there is still good, and we're going to feed that to my chickens. As you can see, this is still intact, so we'll just remove the decorations and then give this to the chickens. Now I'm picking up another pumpkin in here. I'm going to take this to my garden as well. Of course, the chickens cannot eat this whole, so we're going to break this pumpkin so the chickens can eat it. How do we do that? Very simple. Oh! Awesome!
Chickens go crazy for pumpkin, probably because it's so good for them. The flesh of pumpkins is full of vitamins A, B, and C. It's also packed with zinc and potassium. All of these are key nutrients that your birds need. Chickens will consume the entire pumpkin, from the flesh to the seeds, and will even eat the skin if it's not too thick for them.
If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.